Hello everyone, it is Tropics WX here with another video. This being on the 2026 Pacific hurricane season, and we have a tropical storm. What's its name? Elena. Tropical storm Elena, uh, currently positioned as we speak. This is Wednesday, July 15th, 2026, 2 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Advisory at 5. Center location 15.7 north, negative 114.6 west. Maximum sustained winds of 50 miles per hour and movement west at 14 miles per hour. This thing got named at 2 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Reason why I didn't record it that early is because I was tired. I didn't want to do it. Its pressure is at 999. It is located 585 or 940 kilometers south-southwest of the tip of Baja California, to the tip of Baja California. Let's go into everything that we know about the system. If I can find it. So, here's everything that we know. Its peak winds will be at 90 miles per hour, 150 kilometers per hour. Right now it is 50 miles per hour. In 12 hours, it'll be 60 miles per hour. 24 hours, 65. In 36 hours, it will be a Category 1 hurricane with 75 miles per hour. In 48 hours from now, it will be a Category 1 hurricane with 90 miles per hour. In 60 hours from now, it will be a Category 1 hurricane with 85 miles per hour. In 72 hours from now, it'll be 80 miles per hour as a Category 1 hurricane. In 96 hours from now, so we're about right here, it will be a 65 mile per hour tropical storm. And 120 hours from now, it'll be a 40 mile per hour post-tropical storm. Post-tropical. So, of course, this does not pose a life frame. Does not pose any threats to land, but we do have other areas that we need to be talking about, and I'm going to switch them. Rid of them. Give us a second. We're waiting for it to load. Thick, you're not. This is the East Pacific we're talking about. All right. So we have other area of interests that we need to be talking about. Surprisingly, let's discuss about the first area of interest that we have. Invest. It is actually Invest 90C. As you can see, it is right here in the Central Pacific area, and its formation chance actually is at formation chance. Well southeast of the southeast of the Hawaiian Islands for 91 LC. A broad of low pressure, a area broad of low pressure located thousands of miles south-southwest of the Hawaiian Islands is producing limited showers and thunderstorm activities. Environment conditions continue to become less favorable, and its chances further, and it chances will further for development are decreasing. Chances to develop Formation chance to 48 hours, low 10%. Formation chance to 7 days, low 10%. Let's head over to the other one, which is this one. Invest 90, our other invest, which is Invest 90C. Invest 90C. Well southwest of the Hawaiian Islands. A disorganized Shower and thunderstorms continue to develop around a trough of low pressures located well southwest of the Hawaiian Islands, with several miles southwest of the Johnson Atoll. Envir- Environmental conditions appear favorable for gradual development of the system over the next couple of days by the end of the week, as it moves slowly west-northwestward towards Vine of the Johnson Atoll. Formation chance to 48 hours, medium 50%. Formation chance to 7 days, medium 50%. This was actually, I think, a 60-30 earlier when I last checked it. Then we have one more, which is actually in our tropical storm area. So let's bring it up. Now, this one is not an invest. This one is a normal one. It's also known as a area of interest. So, as of right now, this has a high chance of developing. But let's read the discussion side of this. So, obviously, they say, hey, well, so. There you go. What the hell?